Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This is the Expensive Trader SA. Today we are analyzing Bitcoin from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame. Please do like and share and follow my page for more technical analysis. So firstly, I'll start with the simple things first. We'll look for the supply and the demand. So right here we do have our demand zone here, and then here we have our supply area. And here also we have supply. So it might rise up to this point or continue and go up here. So I'll just do this here. Okay, and then here I'll put it as my demand zone. Okay, so let's look on the 4-hour chart. Okay, I still see it going a bit further than what we have, so this might be our demand on this time frame. Oh yeah, this might be our demand. Now here guys, let me quickly remove and show you what I think, because here we have our lowest point, then we head down, we headed up, we headed down, we heading up, we head down. So I do think we're gonna head up, then come back, then go up and create something like a tower formation, then head down. So let me just show you here also. We might hit this part here, and as you can see, this is the formation which you might see. We also had it here, also had it here. So yeah, this is what I think. Okay, let's check the 1-hour chart, 1-hour time frame. Okay, and then here let me simply remove everything. Here we see guys, we have an accumulation phase here. This is an accumulation phase. We're still in that accumulation phase zone, so you'll see what's happening. You will see what's happening guys. Although this, I think it might come back down to trap all traders. It might trap traders that went on along. So just bear in mind that Bitcoin might go up or it might go down. So here we have nothing. Let's just quickly look at the weekly chart. Okay, let's start here. This was our highest point. Okay, you can see here, guys. Let me just highlight this point, and you can see. So I would take this as a left shoulder, right shoulder, a left shoulder, right shoulder, and then we might take it up a bit. So let me just see if we might hit somewhere around here. Might hit somewhere around there. Yeah, this is, so in case you cannot see what I mean by left and right shoulder, I'll just simply illustrate to you. So the market was was going down, heading down, then it went up a bit, went down, then it broke, then it went up, it came to test, now it's heading up. So we do see here, this area is called the left and right shoulder formation. I'll just highlight it a bit darker, that area here. So yeah, guys, we are going for a buy. But bear in mind that we might retrace. We might have a retracement here. We also might have a retracement here. So if it breaks above, then we might go up. But if it fails to break this area, then we must be looking for sells somewhere here. Then it should shoot down. It should shoot down.